Introducing Markov Decision Process Software from SpiceLogic, a must tool for healthcare cost-effectiveness analysis. Set transition probabilities like this. What could be easier than this interface? You can even use time-variant probabilities, so that at every age, the probability of transitioning from one health state to another would be different. Create a sophisticated Markov model using the intuitive step-by-step wizard. Define payoff to a state or Markov action based on multiple criteria or cost-effectiveness. Behold the generated Markov model as a decision tree diagram. You can view the data table behind every chart. You can even export the data table to Excel. A plethora of charts available for your analysis. Here is the cohort simulation table. Use custom expression by dragging and dropping variables. Download the fully functional trial version today. Reach our help desk if you have any questions or concerns.